Pizzicato. Plucking the strings is something that we do a lot, especially if we want to imitate a bass player. So regular pizzicato would be maybe just taking the first finger. I like to hold the bow in a fist, put out the first finger, and if we have a lot to do, the thumb can be leaning on the fingerboard to keep us secure. And then another type of pizzicato is bar-tuck pizzicato, which we don't use much in Celtic music, but it's a great sound. So you pull the string vertically. Don't go crazy, you will snap your string. But it's a great sound for special effects. Then we have our thumb that we can use for strumming. Or we have our middle finger that we can use for big chords. And we can even combine them to have something like this. Make sure to follow along for more bite-sized cello hacks.